Five Star Bath Solutions started franchising in the United States in 2015. Since that start, we've actually had exceptional growth. We've seen amazing franchisees join. Our franchise partners have taken the reins with their own businesses. They've grown their businesses in wonderful ways. If you're looking at joining Five Star Bath Solutions, I'd encourage you to look at our item 19. Look at the growth that these franchises have had. Look at their numbers. Look at the strong financials that they've been able to create for themselves along the path. Along that way, we've also partnered with some amazing vendors, great partners that are creating world-class, very unique, durable products that allow us to install for our customers. Five Star Bath Solutions has actually morphed. We've seen that actually adding in more technology, more marketing, more services to empower our franchisees has been a better way to grow. And it used to be the contractor, the installer, who would look at maybe buying a business like this, and we realized that that's not the best fit. Much more so it'd be to have an individual who comes from corporate America with a business background, a marketing background, an individual who knows how to manage and to have some sales capabilities to really run the show. As they're doing that and they're actually using our products and services, support, technology, call center, and lead generation devices that we have, they can manage us in a way that they can pull themselves out of the business, become autonomous, and be successful. We know what it takes to help a franchisee to really grow and scale their business. And we have decades now of successful starting franchisees, supporting franchisees, and even helping franchisees at some point to exit their businesses, which we applaud and are excited about. As the CEO, I'm here to kind of spearhead all areas of the business, working with our marketing, overseeing technology, overseeing operations, and trying really to be accountable to all those different areas to making sure that the franchisees see success. A big part that we believe in Five Star Bath Solutions is franchisees first. We look at the entire system, which all of our franchises are a part of, that they have success. Not just looking at perhaps one franchisee's needs over another franchisee's, but to look at the whole entire system. I'm tasked with the opportunity to try and build this brand that can kind of ensure that Five Star franchisees receive that kind of treatment that they deserve.